The American dream didn't disappear overnight. It was financially destroyed.
What if the middle class wasn't failing, but being squeezed out?
The next decade won't destroy everyone equally. It will reward the financially intelligent.
Back in the 1970s, one paycheck could support an entire family.
Homes were affordable, food was cheaper, and savings were possible. Today, millions work harder than ever, yet feel completely stuck. Rent prices exploded by more than 150%.
College became a lifetime debt sentence for millions.
The middle class didn't stop working hard. Whew, the system changed. The American middle class isn't disappearing overnight. It's being slowly squeezed out.
Inflation quietly steals your money every single year.
Your paycheck may grow, but your buying power keeps shrinking. A $70,000 salary today feels poorer than $40,000 decades ago. Families now spend hundreds more just to eat the same food. When trillions of dollars are printed, your money becomes worth less.
The rich benefit from inflation. Workers pay the price. The wealthy own assets. The middle class owns debt. Millions now use debt just to survive the month. The middle class is slowly disappearing under inflation pressure. Inflation doesn't destroy wealth instantly. It destroys it slowly.
Debt is no longer an emergency in America. It became a lifestyle. The average household now carries over $100,000 in debt. Americans stopped using savings and started surviving with credit.
For millions of students, education became financial imprisonment.
Debt delayed marriage, homeownership, and even starting families.
Cars became symbols of success, financed for 7 years. America normalized financing everything.
Every monthly payment makes banks richer. Debt doesn't just destroy finances, it destroys peace of mind.
Millions work harder every year just to stay in debt.
The modern economy doesn't reward freedom. It rewards debt.
The rich buy assets, while the middle class buys consumption.
Assets grow in value, even while you sleep. The middle class was taught to spend money, not grow it.
Most expensive cars don't build wealth.
When markets rise, billionaires get richer first.
A salary pays bills. Assets build freedom.
If your income stops when you stop working, you're financially vulnerable. The wealthy don't work only for money. They make money work for them. The difference between rich and poor is often one word: ownership.
The old formula for success is collapsing.
Artificial intelligence is changing the workforce faster than people expected. The internet created a new economy. and new opportunities. The future rewards people who understand money.
Investors think long-term. Consumers think short-term.
Wealth grows slowly at first, then, suddenly.
The people who adapt financially will survive the fastest changes. The next wealthy class may not be born rich, but financially educated. The middle class isn't disappearing overnight, but the future will reward those who adapt.